one, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐞.
Sir, what file?
No, I have sent you a revised file and I have sent the indication in the WhatsApp group also. Intro revised file.
Sir, can you see the drive link in the WhatsApp before me sending?
Yes, actually.
Yes. Kindly check with that drive link. You have an updated version of your introduction.
Sir, actually the introduction part was done by Niveda ma'am. So we
Okay.
didn't check that. I thought maybe
See, the
she
thing
will
is, no. Even everyone should know what is happening in the team. Okay. So if Niveda ma'am is not responding, she's not there. Dr. Niveda, are you there?
No,
She's not joined.
No, she didn't join. Even for our last session, actually, she was present. But now
Okay.
today she's not here.
Okay. See, as a co-authors, everyone should know what are the points to be there in the introduction. Okay. So kindly open the introduction. No. Fausta, can you do it for me?
Actually, she told that she will add some other points after watching the results and methodology part. This is some basic things that was in introduction. Actually, she told that she will add more after results and methodology part. That's why I think she didn't properly revise the introduction. She will do it later, I think.
No, my suggestion
we actually
is,
don't know
since
if
you are having 4 people in the team, right?
Yes.
So Deepesh and 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫, sorry, Kaustam and 𝐬𝐿
recently.
Come again,
Yes, sir.
we are not getting you.
Yes, sir.
We didn't have an interaction between us recently, like Niveda ma'am and 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚.
Oh, that's the problem. See, my suggestion is, for each and every session, at least 2 people should take the responsibility. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Because
actually you divided
if
our
one is
work.
absent,
That's why.
No, I got your point. So that should be always a plan B, like backup. For example, introduction should be taken care by Niveda and 𝐬𝐿, and methodology should be taken care by Kaustav and 𝐿, like that. And see, other teams only two members were there, so both of them are responsible. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just I want to explain you what I have corrected. So you guys downloaded the file. Please open the file first of all.
Yes, sir. I opened.
Yeah.
For your convenience, I want to share the drive link in the chat so that you can open it from here itself.
We'll have opened it.
Yeah. And Dr. Chandru, do you want them to share their screen so that you can explain it clearly?
Sure. Actually, I also opening my laptop, but signal issue.
If it is not possible for you to share, I will ask participants to share.
Okay, I'll share. I'll try to connect my laptop in 10 to 15 minutes. So the meanwhile, they can open their file and share. That made me a nice idea.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow,
I can.
Please open.
Codes of Kanish, would you like to share now or?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please share your screen. Don't show it.
Screen is visible now?
Yes, it's visible. Please go ahead. Yes. Kindly minimize.
So can you see the
Yes. Kindly minimize the meeting screen. You can minimize it. No.
How?
Better you can cancel it at the top. Can you see?
You can close it. You can close it. Yes.
Yes. If it's better, you close it. No. Can you see X at the front? No, just go to that. Yeah, at the top. Can you see X above that? Above presentation control, can you see an X mark?
This one.
Above the screen. Above that, X mark. Yeah, third one. Next.
When I change the screen, that is happening.
No, just go to the presentation. Yeah, no, you are sharing your screen. Just go to the third line, D1 introduction. Is that one? Can you see X mark at the top right corner of your meeting screen? Above that? Yes. Yeah. And Dr. Chandra, is it visible for you? I can see the screen.
No screen is visible for me.
Sorry, could you please come again?
It's visible for me just now.
Okay.
I can see the screen now.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Kaustav, can you please expand? Okay, you can start. What you gonna? Okay, you can close the sidebar so that the screen will be fully occupied. Okay, it's fine. Can you see the corrections what I have made?
Yes, sir.
Since it will be in the recording, I think Dr. Niveda can also follow later.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, my dear friends, I can understand since most of us are using ChatGPT. Okay, among all the teams, one thing is very clearly visible because HDAC, it is coming then and there. Can you see here everywhere? Overall the document.
Okay.
Or she might have
Maybe
genuinely
also
written.
to maximize the screen, can you go to the pencil symbol at the top?
Now?
Yes, it's visible. You can also go to the pencil. Can you see the pencil symbol? Yeah, just click that. Click that. Viewing. Can you please go to viewing? Yes. Yes. Now it's fine for me. And Dr. Chandra, is that clear now?
No, I couldn't see anything. Why? How about others?
We can see
Ms.
this.
Bhavani, like it was visible. It was visible before. Now it is not there. Why?
Why?
The
Others?
corrections are not there.
Corrections are not there, but can you see the screen? Hope you can see the
Yeah,
screen.
like, I think I'm can. Wait. I can see the.
Yes, we can see this.
Now I can see. Yes. Yeah.
I think it will
sorry,
be
you're
good
not
if
troubling you, right?
see the.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
enable
it
the
will be good
corrections.
if sir sees correction also.
you just click that. Just go back to the editing mode. Yeah, it's better. And Dr.
Fine.
Now the screen visible?
Yeah, now it's visible. Yes.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Thank you. See, Kaustav, we are getting the point. Kaustav and 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐞𝐚 both were there in the group, right?
Yes, sir.
See, the overall idea is, so she started the explanation with HDAC, correct? That is
Yes.
our receptor protein. So whatever the suggestions I'm giving for team 1, it is applicable for other teams also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So it's like a story plot. Everyone remember this. So when you are introducing a story plot, either you have to say about the bad situation over there. Generally in a heroic movie, what they will show, there is a problem, huge problem created by the villain. Then only they will introduce about the hero. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Same way, here the protein is a villain or a hero. You have to say that. Who is the hero here? Who is the villain here?
Protein is the villain. Hero is the inhibitor.
Correct. Hero is the ligand. Okay, ligand. So protein is the villain. So it's right way she started with the protein. Correct?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the protein. So you have to say about the fatal nature of the protein. How important the villain is. How dangerous the villain is. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
can you see any dangerous thing about the villain there?
No, sir.
Do you feel anything very highly impactful? No? No, right?
No, sir.
Or something like groundbreaking. What can I suggest is like this disease is so important. Disease is not bothered by people. If it goes in the same rate, this may happen. It's an alarming rate. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please make a note of it, both of you. So about those information should be there. Meanwhile, I'm right now opening my laptop. If I open my laptop, I'll show my previous paper. Hope I showed already, but anyhow I'll show again. Okay. And regarding the format corrections, once you should introduce your see, actually you guys not did this, but anyhow I'm saying as a common point. First itself you have to introduce the abbreviations. You have to expand the abbreviations. Can you see that HDAC?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Because the very first time we have to what abbreviated, expand the abbreviation, and we have to add then and there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you please come down? But now, am I audible?
Yes, now it is audible.
Just I switched on to my laptop. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what are the things? These small what grammatical corrections I made, this we can do easily because nowadays we have Grammarly, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have Grammarly and we have CADD. We can check the errors. And there is another important tool called Quillbot. Just a minute. You can cancel now and I share again. Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You stay there. You stay there. It will be auto resume. Whatever I share will be auto resume. You just present click stop sharing. Guys, everyone can see this. What? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Actually, his voice is cracking, I think.
Yeah, because of internet issues. How about now?
Dr. Chandu, I think you're facing a lot of issues. I don't know whether shall we continue today or do you want us to have tomorrow? What is your suggestion?
No, actually, today at least I have got some time to sit and discuss. Tomorrow,
Okay.
that's why see at least half an hour if I discuss now, these people can get an idea to proceed forward.
Okay.
I think I shifted to mobile. I can. My mobile internet is good, but when I'm doing the same with the laptop, it's cracking like this. How about now?
Now it's actually fine. Now it's
It's fine.
Now it's fine, right?
Yes,
Okay. How about,
now it's
then I should keep my mic nearby my mouth. Fine. How about now? Can you see
it's fine now.
Thank you. Can you see Quillbot, everyone, my dear friends?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yes. So Quillbot is an efficient tool. So how many of you are using that? Have used
Sir,
that?
I am using.
Very good. How about others? It's a very, very powerful tool. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
Sometimes Shushruth will also use. Okay. Others, those who are not using, Miss Aishwarya, you can use this. Okay. Like, see, first of all, the best thing is don't copy and paste from anywhere. Just read the content and type by yourself. Getting the point? See, for example, I want to read about HDAC. Okay. I'm going to the content of HDAC inhibitors. Okay. So I'm getting the results. What are the results I'm getting? HDAC are the chemical compounds that inhibit histone deacetylases. Correct? So to my understanding, I should write by my own, and at least 2 to 3 changes. HDAC is an interesting set of compound. See, and what are the information I can add further? Here, they are not said anything. See, since I am performing a demo, I'm typing as it is. If I'm saying interesting, in what way it is interesting? So that information is not given here. But I can read from somewhere and include that. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, interesting set of compounds which regulates the transcription. Now, after that, and it follows, okay? At least I got some subject, verb, and object. You know, na sentence formation. You might have studied well. Subject, verb, object. Yeah. Now you can see the change. They are saying interesting with fascinating, but generally in research articles we won't use fascinating. Rather, what good word is there? Can you see?
Remarkable.
Remarkable, intriguing, curious, wonderful. So we have a number of options. The previous time, before the advent of Billboard, what we guys used to do now, we will go to Google and type interesting synonyms or synonyms of interest. Getting the point? This is the way we have to escape from plagiarism. Can you see how many words were there? Absorption, engrossment, regard, beauty, charm, recreation. Based upon the content and context, it differs. But Gilbert is giving us some default options. Clear? So it's an art really, and it makes your document that easy and that good. As one of the participants have said, I'm using remarkable. Rather using group, what I can do? Remarkable class, correct? And I'll retain the same words, compounds instead of substances. So let me go back. Remarkable class of compounds, correct? That regulates transcription. Do you have everyone? So here I have not copied anything. Rather, I typed based upon my understanding, and I'm getting a new way of writing. So in such way, you can keep on writing. And as I said about introducing villain and hero, I'm going back to my journal. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please. Yes. Since I couldn't see any of the reactions, I'm just out. This paper I might have shown you multiple times. One of my paper, correct? Several times I might have shown you. Why I'm showing several times this paper is written solely by me and my guide, and my guide taught all the points. Other papers we did by ourselves and guide not involved. So he taught me a good way of writing, such as I said, na impact of the villain. Can you see the impact? Who is the villain in my case? In my research article?
COVID-19.
Yes, COVID-19, the disease name, correct? That is the impact created by the villain. But who is the real villain?
Spike protein.
Correct. Spike protein is the weak spot of the villain. So he has some emotional weak point. But who is the villain? The virus. The villain's name is SARS-CoV-2. Here. Can you see here? His name is what? SARS-CoV-2. So this is my style. I don't want you to copy the same, but you guys can inspire. So can you see why a vaccine discovery is important, and what is the impact created by that person? Here, it's making sense.
Yes, sir.
Then followed by what? So far these are the cases have been recorded. So on the grounds, why important to stop COVID-19? Since many people talk about COVID-19, it's fine. That's what new novelty we are going to give up. And see, this is my strong point. While describing the part of villain, I'm describing in structural bioinformatics way. So what structural bioinformatics way I made? You all remember our what phase one of our training? I have just opened the tertiary structure of a protein and explained you. You remember? A protein will have different domains. Am I right? Am I making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like that, you have to know about your proteins. So what are the descriptions I'm giving? SARS-CoV-2 contains what? SARS-CoV-2 contains type 1 transmembrane glycoprotein. And they have what? 2 subunits. And among the subunits, which region to which region is very important to us. Can you see the region? That region, what I defined, receptor binding domain. Why this is important? Because we are doing a doctrine study, an interaction study, followed by dynamics. Am I right? Look at here. Same description I have given here. Can you see the yellow spot? So today's discussion will be helpful for you to create proper images and tables. That is also crucial. Can you see here? So this is my S1 RBD, correct? In my S1 RBD, the yellow spot is none other than what I defined above. So what region to what region I have defined? I have defined 334 to 528. So nearly 194 amino acid. So that region I have highlighted. Same way, what you guys can do. Everyone remember about the pi mole? How to edit the structure in the pi mole? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. So try to highlight the protein and try to make it colorful or interesting. Yeah, then the surface you are this view. Hope you guys might have tried it like this. Correct? So okay, going back to introduction. So that was lacking in team one's paper, I guess. Then followed by that. See, can you see the number of list of references I've used? Where are my references?
And Dr. Chandru, sorry to cut in. For your information, we have Dr. Nivetha here.
Okay, okay, yes. So hi doctor, how are you? She joined just now?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Couple of-
like had some work in lab, so I just joined.
Okay, okay. Thank you for joining. So actually we are discussing your paper
Yeah,
only.
yeah. It's not complete actually. I'm really
Yes, yes.
sorry. Yeah.
No problem. And we are doing as a teamwork, no. But Dr.
Yeah.
Niveda, our suggestion is even in your absence, you train someone with you. Like in case of your absence, someone should know the content.
Yeah, Dyotima and Kaustav are there. I think
Okay.
so.
Okay. They said
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we not written any part. Fully it's written by Niveda ma'am. Like that they told.
Yeah. Like they are doing all the what structural things.
Okay.
I'm like mostly involved in the writing part. So yeah, I need some like result details also to complete the intro.
Of course.
So
That will be
yeah,
that. But that's why, Dr. Niveda, we told your persons, people that we need to
okay.
add some information about the structures. For
I
example,
have to add. Yeah.
yes. For example, HGAC1, correct?
Yeah. I saw your like comments.
Yes,
Yeah, I maybe
correct.
I will.
So you guys can discuss. You write version 2 and you can upload in the same team, doctor. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'll
Same
do
team.
it in this week. Yeah.
Correct. So, and we have to, once we are confirmed with that, we have to slowly move into methodology. So today
Yeah,
I'm planning to do.
methods. I think Kaustav is writing. I think he has written something and uploaded it.
Okay, Kaustav, we have you
Yeah.
uploaded?
Yes, sir. I uploaded yesterday, I think.
Okay, I'll check. Fine. That's fine. Actually, I will correct the methodology part and come for a discussion again. Okay. So Ms. Bhavani, when
Yes,
we
Okay,
sir.
have
sir.
next
Yes.
session, can you please let me know? Bhavani ma'am, are you there?
Hello, Dr. Surprise, I'm here.
Yeah. So next session might be on which day tentatively?
Sorry, could you please come again?
So
Tomorrow there
today,
is another session.
tomorrow is there another session? Is it so?
Tomorrow, actually, there is no session, but if you want, we can schedule
No.
a session. No?
So tomorrow there is no session because
Yes,
I
there
know
is a
Session
session in
on
the planning.
7 November, I think.
it has been shifted, Kaustav.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, and previously it was planned on 27th, but I requested for the shift. Still it is there. If so,
Hello.
if so,
Yes, sir.
kindly no session tomorrow. We will plan some other day. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Might be on Monday or Tuesday. I'll know. I have to check the methodology because after methods, results and discussion should be very crucial. Like each and every part we have to define. Okay. And as Dr. Nivedha has
Okay,
said,
sir.
based on result and discussion also, we have to add some introduction parts. So about the methodology parts and about just an intro about what novelty we handled in the methods. We have to intro about that also. Fine. For example, see, same introduction, we come down. You can also refer to some even better journals like Nature journal, how they are writing, the way of style of writing, and some society journals. Like you know about ACS journals, American Chemical Societies, correct? So those journals also will be very standard. Myself is Springer Nature, but like don't follow some paid journals like MDA page, Frontiers. I don't really trust them because they got money for publishing it. There won't be any beautiful way of writing that. You can observe that, but you can go for some standard journals. Clear? So my dear friends, coming again, can I see? I define what methodology, why it is important to focus upon the methodology. So based upon this, like previous methods, what people have achieved and how we are going to do it better. Can you read the last line, this line? So moreover, the peptide protein interactions by MERS have been proved by Mustafa et al. 2019. But based on that, we intended to do for SARS-CoV. Yeah? So like that, your next task is how many of the previous research have done the same kind of work? Try to find that. To be straightforward, is there any docking work performing HTAC now? Guys, any idea? Do you think any docking work have been performed before? Also, 𝐬𝐤𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐜𝐫, Dr. Nivedha, any idea? Hello?
So can you please repeat?
Yeah. My question is, do you have any idea, like any molecular docking work have been performed before in HTAC by some other group? Is there any published papers?
No, I don't have. This is very new to me.
Okay. No. I'm saying about established research. Like any research papers are available on this area for a particular.
Yeah, in plant science we don't like dock the molecules, but like protein interactions are there.
No, Dr. Niveda. My question is for the protein
Yeah.
what you have chosen, like HDAC1 you have chosen, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Regarding this work, okay.
Regarding this work, have you
Okay.
found docking papers? Like, for example, if you already persons have performed docking, how
Yeah,
far
yeah, it was there.
okay. Please let
Okay,
your
okay.
team know that.
Okay.
So that,
I understood. Okay.
so that already people have performed docking, but what difference you are going to make and what kind of like ligands you have chosen compared to them. So that information you have to add up.
Okay. Got it.
Then it will be so fine. We can blindly say this is our novel work. This is the first time we are doing docking. That cannot be said, right?
Okay, we have to. Okay. I
We
got
have
it.
So you guys, everyone can follow this paper like my way of writing. You can follow what previous work and how far we are going to differ from them. Clear, everyone? It's important. And most thing, try to make a graphical abstract. So this article I have not made because whenever you are making graphical abstract, no, you will get a clarity. And I remember that everyone made a very good slide during your phase 2, phase 1 ending. That's why you have been progress to stage 3, correct? So try to add your results in the same PPT. Try to improve the PPT. Keep on adding the results over it. That is my second section. Clear? So friends, any doubts in introduction section for team 1? Can we move to team 2?
Sir, for
Yeah, if
pictures
I
we
have
have to
any
make.
doubt, I'll post it. Chandru.
Sure. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, doctor.
Sir, for pictures we have to make two pictures, na 2D picture, and in Pymol that or we have already made it. I think Diotima already made the pictures. Can I show you that or?
Please, yes, please, yes, you can show. But make it quick. We have 2 more things.
Okay, sir. Sir, Diotima, can you share because I don't find it.
Anyone can share, I guess. Everyone have access.
Okay, I got it. I am sharing. Sir, is this enough or we have to make?
Yeah, that's nice.
And this one and this one.
Okay. Go. I have few corrections, suggestions. Just no. Go to the previous slide. Okay. So labeling is missing. Like you said about ligand.
Yes,
So,
legend.
this region is missing. No need to mention about the ligand. It is understood like biocuration is ligand. Okay, remove the word ligand.
This one.
Yeah, remove the word ligand. Not the entire one. No, just only the word ligand. L-I-G-A.
Okay, sir.
No, remove that. Okay, just you can't say blindly say interacting amino acids. You want to say about the residue names.
We have mentioned that in the result section. Actually, we have tables for that.
Either you can do one thing like interacting amino acids. You want to make the side chains of the amino acids. It is 1 or 2.
Means I can't understand. Sorry, sir.
Just a minute. Just hold on. I'm showing my same paper.
Okay.
Can you see the paper again?
No, sir.
No. How about now? Not shared?
No, sir, not shared.
Must have, right? How about now?
It's now it's shared.
Yeah. So it's one amount the image. Can you see the side chains of my since both of them are protein peptide, you're having side chains. What you will suggest is for side chains of HDAC1. For example, you have to find the residue names post out. Can you see? I have listed out the number of residues, correct?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, you are saying some interacting residues now. Hope you might have some tables. Am I right?
Yes, sir. We have tables.
Correct. So that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Jyoti.
Sir, I have used Swiss PDB viewer. There I went to the control panel. There I have selected the ligand. Then I have went to like neighboring atoms 3.5 Armstrong. By that I have got some neighboring residues.
Okay.
Is that the interacting residues actually?
No. Actually, that is called polar contacts. They are the residues in contact. The meaning is different. Interaction is different, contact is different. Getting the point?
Okay, then it is like I will take the interacting residues from PLIP.
Yes, PLIP or similar any other thing. Okay, like Flip Plot, Discovery Studio. Anywhere you have to find the interacting residues because each and every interacting residues have their own criteria. Just I have to show you on words. Just a minute. Can you see the word called contacts? Yes, is visible? What I've highlighted.
Yes, sir.
So these are the residues in contact. So the as you said, like whatever the neighboring residues you are facing, they are there nearby contacts. But contact is different from interactions. For example, look at here. Here I've said about interactions. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
So what kind of interactions I'm saying?
Intermolecular.
Yes, intermolecular interactions. Here, since I refer to protein peptide, I have choose intermolecular. But at near case, at least hydrogen bond, hydrophobic interactions will be there. So between the molecules, one of your molecules protein, another molecule is a ligand. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like that, you have to find the interacting residues. Once you find the interacting residues, see your pictures are really amazing. First of all, I have to appreciate that because in the first attempt you have made a very what can I say? It's like a publication quality image.
Thank
Really,
you, sir.
really, I'm happy for that. I think I have seen this image sometime back. The fact you have shared in the group, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it was very, very nice. Only few corrections. Okay. Yes. Okay, then what else? This is the point I have to share. So kindly highlight the side chains. So how do you highlight the side chains? Any other team members can help them. How they have to show the side chains?
Sir, we can do it actually by PyMol. We can.
Correct. You have to select the final sequence using sequence. Correct. Exact.
Yes, sir. I got it.
And rename it. And you have to show sticks. So whenever you
Okay,
show,
sir.
and you can show the interactions.
We have to show the amino acid name now, which are
Yes.
interacting.
That you have to show label.
Okay.
So it's easy.
We have to show for hydrogen bond or hydrophobic interaction both, or just hydrogen bond.
Actually, hydrogen bond only you can show like a stick like this, like a connection.
Okay.
Hydrophobic will be kind of a surface. Okay, and hydrogen bond has a defined distance, like it should be within 3.5 angstrom. Some defined distances are there, like an electronegative atom in between hydrogen atom. You can see that later. Okay, Kaustav? So try to make
Yes, no, I am telling that we have to show the residues in the picture in PyMol or.
Yeah, see, same. If now it's your turn, go back to the picture. Go back to the picture. I think other teams are getting benefited. Yes, Sushrut, Aishwarya, and Dr. P. Hope you are listening to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's a peer learning. We are trying to learn from our friends. Yes, correct. Now, the only correction I will suggest is to try to add the side chains of that orange color wala, HEAC. Pictures are really good. Okay, and you can make a slight adjustment. No need for big arrows. Can you see the arrows? It was disturbing.
Okay, sir.
Make the arrow thin. Or name that in the side. Why you want to cut cross? It's like striking out the picture. You discuss with your team to improve the clarity of the picture. Okay. And as I said, no need for the word ligand and try to add side chains. Clear? Okay. So regarding methodology, I'll look at your paper and I'll suggest you what are the things to be added. Clear?
Okay, sir.
How's there any other doubts? Can we move on to the next video?
Are you talking something? You couldn't listen. Stop. You are in mute, Kaustubh.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, now we can hear. Yes.
Yes, sir. I have one last question. Like in 2D structure, we can find that there are 4-5 hydrogen bonds, but in which one we should consider?
Then the lowest value. Which is the lowest value?
I mean, split one.
1.44. Can you see 1.44?
Huh?
So the nearby distance. See,
Sir,
in
I
this,
can't
to represent, you can show one or
hear
two
you.
pictures. Here. How about now? Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that my suggestion is you have to choose. You have to choose at least one or two. Have minimum distance, like you can choose 2.05. Correct.
Okay. No, actually, in clip they are showing 1 or 2, but in this picture we can see they are showing 3 or 5. So in the result section, we should write on the basis of this one or on the basis of clip, because we have tables according to clip.
See, whichever is looking good for you, keep it in the main manuscript. Other things you accumulate and make it as a supplementary. Clear? For example, the previous picture, it is looking so great. Since we are not going to start with blocking, we are going to move into dynamics pictures, correct?
Yes, sir.
So today, before ending the class, I'll teach you how to make the MD pictures. Yesterday I taught you XPG. Do you remember RMS, RMS, RMS? Everyone
Yes,
have
sir.
completed
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So at the end
Yes,
of the
sir.
class, I'll teach you how to make the combined plot. So for example,
sir.
can you share the RMSD files of all the 3 ligands complexes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share in the Google Drive. Okay, you can stop sharing. We just share the files.
Okay.
Later we will find and demonstrate. Clear? So now we will move on to team 2. Don't worry. Any other doubts you can be in touch with me in WhatsApp group. Okay, team 3. So thank you, team 1.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now team 2, please. Aishwarya, Dr. Team, who is going to present? Like present in the sense, please open your corrected file, revised mask, intro file.
Aishwarya and Dr. Rim.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've joined through phone. Give me.
Okay,
I have gone through the revised file. I've seen that you have asked us to add the graphical abstract and the process related images.
correct.
Uh, and as you said, because it was like lot of chat GPT generated.
No, I sorry if I'm wrong. I'm really
No. You are
sorry if
and
I'm
no,
wrong.
no, you are right. Partially, I've
Correct.
because it was sir. What happened is we took all the data, whatever was available from different papers, and tried to collate it. This was our actually rough background that we had prepared. So when you asked us to submit introduction, due to lack of time, we uploaded the same. We did not get time
Do you know
to.
how I found it?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know how I found the fault? Found the fault because your abbreviation is elaborated each and every time.
Actually,
So
this
this
was
will
our rough
happen in
file.
chat.
Yeah, this was our rough file. We had to work on it to polish it, but we didn't get time. So thought we'll do it as per after we get the suggestions from you. We'll do the complete editing together.
Okay. So no need to delay. I know writing a manuscript is a tough stuff. Dr. Lee knows better. Yes, am I right, doctor?
Yes,
Writing a
of course. Yes. And in this particular paper we're working on, it's a bit time limited. So
Yes.
yeah.
So don't worry. We don't need to extend for a long time. Just we have to do some 2 to 3 sittings with a proper hard work.
Yes,
Then
yes.
we can complete this, I guess.
Okay.
So I request all of your hard work. So Dr. Aishwarya, Miss Aishwarya, can you able to load it? Or do you need my help?
Sir, I have few doubts. Actually, when we started with this, PDB structure, actually for this protein, all the PDB structures have lot of missing sequences in the structure. But we chose this one because the binding site had no issues. Like there's one mutation here, but it is not a problem because it doesn't come in the area where the binding is taking place. So just we just went ahead with that.
Which
But
one? Yeah, like, can you show the point? Which point you're talking?
The PERK protein PDB that we have taken for our study. So for this protein, whatever structure we were taking had lot of missing structure because it's a very big protein. So there were a lot of areas or sequences that were missing in the structure. And after that, because me and Dr. M, we have both attended the other MD simulation session workshop. So now we know that if there's a mutation, we can change that and that. But for the this part, we had, like, when we were doing this for this workshop, we did not do any change in the structure. We took it as it is because it did not look like it was interfering with our binding pocket. So is it okay to continue with that because our all the results are based on that?
Correct. Simulation is got. Simulation is so we can submit the insights whatever we observe from the current results. Okay. If you are interested to expand, you can make it as a separate paper. We can work together if interested. But as of now,
as of now, we can. So my doubt is while we are writing the methodology part, so our first will be the downloading the PDB structure from the PDB website. So first we will have to explain why did we choose this particular PDB instead of the other.
No, not that much, but we have to say the data set have been chosen so and so. Wait a minute. I'll go back to my.
Yeah.
You can share, but as of now, I'm sharing to the same paper. Just I'll get back. I'll come back to you. But as of now, my screen is there.
It was there. Now it's. Yes, sir. It's there.
Okay. Look at here. You can look at any paper of structural bioinformatics paper. Okay? So if you look at here, can you see how I introduced my PDB structure? You don't lose your style. Actually retain your style, but these are the content people respect. How I introduced?
Okay.
Like so and so residue have been found in this complex. In brackets, I given the PDB ID.
Got it, sir.
So my objective is to choose a protein where this region is very clearly visible.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, and same way I've given the reference for PDB ID because any general reader who do not know what is called protein data bank, because some environmental biologist or zoologist who is interested to read your paper, they want to they do not know even what is called PDB. Nothing wrong in that, correct?
Yes.
So for them I given the reference of this man at all. So
hello.
Yes. Some crosstalk.
Please continue, Chandra. It was good, sir. I think he had some issues. No issue. You can continue.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, this is the thing. Okay. So each and every tool you have to expand why you have chosen. Correct? And okay. So since Ms. Aishwarya have asked that question, I give an overview of the methodology again. We have discussed this already, but again I'm giving. Like, can you see the subheadings of methodologies?
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying I have used docking like Autodoc or so and so. Rather, I'm saying the objective of this particular study. What is the objective of the first study? First part of the study. I have to model the peptides, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that you have to start with. Like what are the data sets? Sometimes if you are using lot of data sets, you can put a paragraph like data set itself, data set. And if you look carefully about the program, I define at least 1 or 2 points. What is the power of that program? Here,
Okay, sir.
for example, you have chosen PyMol for visualization. Actually, PyMol visualization we won't expect. You have chosen Pyrex. What's the reason you have chosen Pyrex is Pyrex is working on so and so algorithm. Correct? You remember we have chosen UFF. The force field have been employed there. Correct? Conjugate gradient, steepest descent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the details will be available in a particular methodology paper. You have to download the actual PEPFOL. See, some author have studied about the PEPFOL paper, methodology paper. That paper you have to go. So in that paper, they might have expanded about how they develop that methodology. Clear? So that
Yes, sir.
methodology, at least you have to write 1 or 2 lines like this. See, this is the creators of the particular tool. So I have read their paper. I know the significance of each and every image. By knowing the significance of image, I use that image in my paper. By that only I got this idea of using their image, like image generated from their software. So that's very important, my dear friends. And don't worry. Actually, I want to say a small story. The story is there are 2 teams. Okay, the team between the competition of making a part. One team have took a long time to make a single part, but other teams they keep on randomly making many parts. Do you think which team might have achieved the greatest part? Team 1 or team 2? I repeat again, 2 teams were given a task of making a best part. Okay, first team took a lot of time for making each parts. So at the end of 3 hours, they could make only 1 or 2 parts, but other teams have made 20 parts. So do you think which team might have succeeded? First team? Is it so? Any other
Maybe
idea?
both. Maybe both,
It
depending on.
depends.
It depends. Okay. But in that story, the second team have made many good parts because the first team was in a fear of making the best part, and they took a long time to make single parts. Okay, so at the max they made 3 parts, but the second team they made several parts. So by using trial and error, when they crossed third part or fourth part itself, they understood how to make a part. So out of 25 parts, more than 5 to 6 parts are very good. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
what the moral of story here is, don't fear to write. Keep on writing. While you write, no, you will have a habit of editing it back.
Yes.
So always pen down your points. Don't go for copy paste and edit. That is very bad habit. Try to read, close the book, try to write, or even keep it open and write your own words. How we are comprehending the things. That is very important here. And just look at the picture. See, my professor Karthik really is a great genius because once I get the result, he asked me to stare at the picture, stare it for 10 to 5, 15 minutes. What you can understand from it? Are you observing any pattern? That is the way we have to bring out. When I observe the pattern, I'll question myself. Guys, I'm teaching you research methodology now. Okay, I have to question myself. So, what are the possible questions I can get out of it? So, when I have questions, I'll search for other research articles for the answer. Correct? When I'm searching other research articles, I have to write about that also. Okay, I got the results so and so. Then immediately what I did, I compared with other articles and wrote. So by that way, I can come to know in that article what kind of tool they have employed. Correct? So research is not going to stop, but anyhow, for the purpose of completing this article in a fine way, we have to put some endpoint. So try to write about each and every method clearly. Okay, my dear friends. Yes. Now go back to your work. I've stopped sharing. Go back to your word document, please. Dr. Niveda, Dr. Ree, you guys can please add any points if I'm missing, because you guys are experienced, I know. Ms. Aishwarya,
Yes,
you can share.
Dr. Chandru.
Yes, yes, please.
You are,
Thank you.
you are doing like really very good, sir.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Yes.
Thank you.
So Aishwarya, you want to say anything? You want to justify your content?
No, sir. Sir, I would like you to tell me what else specific to this paper, like what I need to focus on, like something that is really very problematic here or something.
No, no. Problem is rain. It's raining here. Just a minute. You don't mind me? I take a 5 minutes break. No, 2 minutes break.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Miss Aishwarya, whether Dr. Chandru asked you to share the screen? I lost him in between.
No, the same is being shared, so I think it is fine, ma'am. Like it is there on the screen, the same.
Yeah, this
paper.
is what I'm sharing
Yes.
actually, but I'm not sure whether he asked to share your.
Yeah, he asked to share.
Thank you. It seems Dr. Chandru having a bad weather there, so it's hard for him to connect with us. Maybe he will joining us in a couple of minutes. We're expecting that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry for that, to my dear team members.
Am I audible?
Yes, audible, Dr. Sundar. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sorry
Yes.
about the background noise.
No, it's fine.
Okay, fine. So, Aishwarya, you want to say something? Like, we'll make the meeting quite quick. Sorry for the inconvenience. We'll make it elaborate in the future sessions. So, if we make it quick, I'll listen to team 3 also. And any doubts, please put in the group. I'll respond you back.
Sir, I have a doubt. Yeah.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Continue, Ms. Aishwarya. What doubt?
Sir, my was this highlighted diseases, huh? The diseases.
Yes.
So like I did not get why like should I elaborate these particular disease or?
See, Aishwarya, the thing is, what kind of protein you have chosen? Like receptor proteins. Like you are going to discuss about all the highlighted proteins?
No, only one, the PERK protein.
Okay. So only per protein means which are the proteins are what highly impactful to per protein, that alone you have to describe. Because when you are going
Only
to describe about the
yes,
only
sir.
and closely related to per. Because if you are going to explain the entire set, it will be a kind of review paper. Okay, you're trying to give a comprehensive review about all the protein. That should not be the case. Because your intro will be at the max of 1 to 1.5 pages
okay,
only.
sir.
So yeah, being 1.5 pages, already we will have to introduce about the ligands, correct?
Yes,
and
sir.
we have to speak about the importance of the domain you are targeting. Like in the same protein, there will be certain regions, like key regions will be there.
Yes, domain is there. Yes, sir.
Domain is there, and some scientists might have highlighted the hotspot residues. So this is for
Okay,
everyone. So each protein will have a hotspot residue. Okay. So hotspot residue, matlab like which are the residues the standard drugs have targeted.
Okay.
Clear? So the same residues, if our protein is also, our ligands also targeting, then that is really great.
Got it, sir.
Yeah, it's like creating a dummy key. So if the villain is using a key to enter, we are creating a dummy key and making our protein engaged, making the villain engaged. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the villain is engaged, disease won't occur, the crime won't occur. So
okay.
That's the. So we are going to create a competitive inhibitor. Generally, our ligand should be an inhibitor. Then it is a success rate of docking. If not, in some cases, it will be an
modulator.
Modulator. Also, as per my understanding, I think all the 3 teams have chosen inhibitors only. Am I right? Team 1, Team 2, and Team 3.
Yes, sir.
Inhibitors. Kaustav, your team is also inhibitors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about Shushrut? Thank you for confirmation. What about Shushrut?
Sir, it's not an inhibitor, kind of drug resistant, MDR, multiple drug resistance.
Multiple drug resistant, but you are trying to found a drug against stopping it, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So it should be an inhibitor or a modulator. You have to confirm that. Okay.
Okay, sir, can you repeat again? Like, couldn't get it.
You have to confirm whatever the ligand molecules you are going to bind with your receptor is a inhibitor or a modulator. Please make a note of these words: inhibitor or modulator.
Modulator. Okay.
So that you have to confirm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it would be great if I listen to team 3 now. Can we move on? Aishwarya, is that okay for you?
No problem, sir. Sir, I will modify the introduction, and if I have doubt, I'll put it in the group.
Please. Yes. We will be in touch in WhatsApp, and we will plan another meeting before the schedule.
Yes.
For another meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Before Diwali or after Diwali, we'll plan. Thank you. Team 3, please open.
Means this week, sir. Means Monday or Tuesday.
When is the actual plan? When do we have the next meeting? Any idea?
What?
Can you please open the schedule and check schedule?
It's schedule. The next class should be on 2nd November actually.
2nd November.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see your results. First, you start writing about the methods. I'll give the corrections. If lot of corrections are there, we'll plan for another meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
If
sir.
there are less corrections, I'll chat you in WhatsApp. Okay. If there are more
Okay,
corrections
sir.
that need to be discussed, I'll get back to you in meeting. We'll plan accordingly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'll discuss with the
Sir,
neighbor man. Let you know. Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask one more thing. In the drive link that has been shared, where we are adding all this introduction, there itself, should we make a folder and upload whatever we have got after the analysis?
Correct. See, but we make a uniformity like team 1, team 2. We
Team,
make a uniformity. Okay.
yeah.
Aishwarya, can you please check the drive now? Already I have made separate folders for team 1, team 2, and team 3. So that in your
Okay,
respective folder, you can upload your results, whatever.
okay, we'll do that. Okay,
Yes.
Our neighborman team are always futuristic. They know what participants will expect.
Yes, Chintu.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so please upload and try to make the uniform name, like whatever the name I'm suggesting, please use that so that it is easy for us to follow. Okay. Even you are pasting 3 ligands, all the 3 ligands should have a uniformity. Like putting number 1 underscore the ligand name. So in future, whenever you are generating what files, it will be easy for you to call the files. Call the files means like in any program, like RMC we call, right? 1, 2. When we call, it will be easy for us to press tab so that the file will come in the spot easily. Right. Now it's time for to team 3. Sushrut, please load your corrected file revised manuscript intro part.
Dr. Chandra, can you see the screen? I'm already sharing the revised version.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
see? Yes. Hope you can see the screen, right?
Yes. Now I can see. Yes.
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, Sushrut. You want to add something? You can
Yes,
understand
sir.
what
I think. Yeah, I totally understand. I looked it over. I think there's a lot of points are missing. Like we are having 3 proteins. So I wrote it down. Okay.
Lot of format corrections should be made.
Sir, please repeat it.
Lot of format correction is just not made correctly. Like, can you see? Like, it's carelessly written. That's what I can say.
Oh, okay.
Careless means you are not given proper attention to the abbreviations. You are not completed the sentence. Read once or
Yes,
twice.
sir.
With the details.
I got it. I will modify it.
Yes, make it.
Uh,
You are doing MS. You are doing PhD, right? No, right
no,
now.
sir. No.
MSc, right? But when you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to PhD, your boss will be so strict. Okay, so get trained for
Yeah.
that. Even
Yes.
even for PhD or for any company you are going, writing draft is very important. Okay, you can take the help of ChatGPT, try to find the incomplete sentences, correct it. But my humble suggestion is write yourself first. Then you go for ChatGPT or Quillbot. Quillbot is a nice tool because Quillbot gives you suggestions for choosing the different words. It will show the possible
Yeah.
clear. Okay. Any technical doubts you have?
Not now, sir. But yes, one thing. About the previous class, you told that RMST, RMSS file, and about the choosing the group. When I'm choosing the group of RMSF and SASA file, they're giving only one option. Like when I'm choosing that protein group,
Only
they
protein.
are starting the run.
That's correct. Only in RMSB, we have to choose 2 things,
Yeah.
13.
Yes.
Okay. Other
Mm-hmm.
is enough.
Other sir.
It means other RMSF, SASA, RG, just choosing one is enough. Once you
Okay.
press,
One.
yeah, simulation will start, right?
Protein, right, sir?
Yes, yes. That is
Yeah, okay, okay, sir. Yeah.
whatever you are performing is called trajectory analysis. What is called
Mm-hmm.
trajectory analysis. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because in production run, we got MD trajectories. So those MD trajectories we are trying to analyze now. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So, guys, one more thing. Every team members kindly share your XPG files. Once you generate RMSD, you create a folder called RMSD and put all the 3 XPG files inside. Okay? So that I can cross check here. I'll perform the analysis and cross check. You're getting the point, everyone? Any doubts in that?
Sir, can you repeat XVG, right? The XVG file
Yes.
or XTC?
XPG. See, from
Okay.
XPG only you will generate XPG. Am I right? RMSD.
Yes,
XPG.
yes, yes.
Sir, I have uploaded a PNG file.
No, PNG is separate. Like PNG for individual files you are uploading. But once you upload XPG files, inputs of RMSD, sorry, output of RMSD. Okay, I come
Got
again.
it,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Got it.
XPG is the output of GMX RMS, correct? It's the output of RMSD function, correct? But PNG is
Yes.
the output of, sorry, postscript. PS is the output of Grace function. Do you remember Grace hyphen hard copy hyphen print file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the output of postscript. But I don't want that. That also you can upload. That is for understanding purpose. But I want your XVG files to be there. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If possible, I'll show you what I'm going to perform with that. But it will be great if you guys all publish that XVG files there. Clear? In separate folders, like RMSD separate folder, RMSS separate folder. And if possible, in the next meeting, I'll teach you some other techniques also to perform few other analysis with MD.
Or we can, we will share. Okay, okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. And everyone try to install VMD. Have you guys installed VMD in your laptop?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please be ready with the VMD. I'll teach you that also. Okay. Yeah. So, Sushrut, any other points to be added in your team?
I think for right now, no, sir.
No,
I will discuss with Deepesh. Like he wrote the everything, but I will have to change on it everything. I can see.
Okay, Sushrut.
I'm sorry, sir, but your voice is very low. I couldn't hear it.
Because of rain here, in Tamil Nadu we have rain here, heavy rain. Okay, I'm on the way to my
Okay,
home.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
So just ignore this. The point is, read the topic completely, then you discuss with Deepesh.
Okay.
See, don't shift the responsibility to someone else. Everyone should take the responsibility. Okay,
Yeah.
my
Yes.
dear?
Yes. 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 Yes, sir.
Great success.
Sir, sorry to tell you again that we have to upload XVG or XTC.
XVG.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
XTC is input file of MD trajectory, correct? XVG.
Yes, sir. XVG, got it. Got it.
Yeah, RMSD XVG, RMSF XVG, and RG XVG.
Okay, sir. 4 files.
3 files for each and every parameter, correct?
Okay, sir.
So 3 parameters inside one folder. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you for your active participation.
Thank you, sir.